When people find out that I'm 63 and powerlifting, their first reaction is, "You do what?" Hi, I'm Karen Repino. I am a Rothman Orthopaedics knee patient and world record holder for squat and bench. Powerlifting means a lot to me. It got me through losing my husband. It became a part of my life. Due to the pain in my knee, I couldn't walk, shop, I couldn't do all the things I loved. Eventually, I was like, you need to talk to a surgeon. When I went to Rothman Orthopaedics, I was told that a knee replacement was needed. One of the first things I asked, will I still be able to lift? Another patient had a double knee replacement and squat 700 pounds. That was a big relief for me. I knew that I was going to be okay to continue doing what I love. Before my surgery, I wasn't sure if I could break any records in powerlifting. After surgery, it all came back. I was able to break world records. In November, I hope to break my own world record. Without my knee surgery, I don't know how I would have gotten through it. With Rothman, I can get through anything.